This is Paul and Jesse, and we call ourselves the Napier Homestead Farms. And today we got a new animal to the homestead.
Oh yeah.
Alright, we got a barred rock rooster. Well, the roosters that can get up, these roosters can get up to 9.5 pounds.
Yeah. Crazy.
This one's a little too old to eat though. So probably gonna finish its life out here. We ain't gonna eat it or not. We're just gonna let it fall over. Oh my God! Someone that trimmed their hooves off for here.
Spurs.
Spurs, yeah. Spurs off. And then when we put it into the cage, we didn't think nothing about it, but we looked outside and there it was over there somewhere, walking around. So we had to trim its wings.
That's an old little fella.
Yeah. Long little tail feathers.
Oh yeah. Crazy.
He's a big one. How much do you think he weighs now? Think he might be a 9 pounder, 10?
Yeah, 9, 10, 11 pounds, I don't know. Heavy though.
He's decent weight. He's pretty good.
Yeah, he's a big one, that's for sure.
Oh yeah. Wow.
Paul, how old are you now?
I'm 11.
When did you turn 11?
Yesterday.
That's right. Happy birthday, Paul. Happy late birthday. Did you have a good one yesterday?
Oh yeah.
Good.
Chicken's about the same size as him.
We'll have to get you, make a video with you and your hoverboard and.
Oh yeah. This thing feels like it feels heavy, then like some ways it does, and some ways it does.
Let it sit in your arms for a minute a little bit and it does get
Yeah, it
heavy.
gets heavy, don't it? Yeah. You want to show them some of this just that y'all planted the other day?
This little fella gets heavy.
Yeah, you better watch out.
I got a hoe and a pitchfork out here because we couldn't till this fine stuff on the, under the fence. So I hoed all the way down and we was gonna plant some more beans. And we planted beans, 95%, and the last 5% is tomatoes.
Yeah, we got 2 sprouting.
They're coming up.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. We got a bunch of them, I thought I could say.
Yeah, that's great.
We got 2 tomatoes out here growing.
The garden has took off. We got some pumpkins, corn.
Let's take a look at the
Goat.
goats, and then everybody's probably wondering where them chickens went to. It was in there. Say hi.
The white goat's still a little scared of us, but not much. The white goat doesn't care really.
Yeah, he's not that bad. Sometimes they let the chickens out and they go into the goat box.
Oh, that one's getting big. You can see him probably right off the bat. He's in the far back corner.
Yeah, we put the little Brahmas in with the big Brahmas.
I was waiting for him to get out, so I sat here watching him. None of them got out.
We got one that's been sitting. She's sitting on about 7 or 8 eggs, so we're gonna see how that goes. I think she got to the end of this, around the end of this month.
Yeah.
That's crazy. We went and bought, how many we get? Just 25 of them?
Yeah.
They all got down to 13. All that's left of them.
They're getting real big.
That one right there is pretty big. Coming down.
Yeah, that one I can tell is going to be a rooster. He's so big. The one like with the little red right there. And got him. Yeah, boy, it was Mama. One day we went in there and found 3 eggs. And the goats, what?
Then they go in there and sit in the goats want when they get hot outside. And they're just sitting there and chill with each other.
He's just licking his lips, man.
He's on it. He's falling. How you
You
doing?
go watch that, he'll start trying to nip at your
Yeah,
shirt.
he'll start nibbling at you. Now, if you bring a cub out there, they'll think
So
there's
give
food
him
in
a
it.
kiss. What is that?
Yeah, I don't think White goes this
Okay.
anymore.
Can I eat it?
Probably how he is with everything.
You gonna go show everybody your new goats? Bye, goats. I think they named them Sam and Dean, didn't they?
Yeah, and he's over here, Charlie and Ruby. Honestly, they about look like the exact same as them.
Oh yeah.
I don't know why, they just do. Yeah, that's
Oh,
it.
yeah.
Is that two tomato plants right there with a lot of stuff? That's it.
Yeah.
You can see them already.
Yeah, that looks about the same to them. The black one is Ruby, and the like tan white one is Charlie. The black one looks the same as
They'll probably take off running. They still ain't warmed up to us yet.
They'll start getting up fast as soon as we get a little bit past these tree stumps.
Yeah. They'll be good. What's he trying to do?
I thought he was walking to us for a second.
Oh, they spilled their water over.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, we ain't done much in here. We need to get started in here one day. We just got them some hay. Place for the corn.
Two female goats.
What's he doing?
It won't be too much longer. I think they'll let us fed on us though.
Yeah, they ain't as bad as they used to be, are they?
No, they used to be running when we got to the cave.
They got them a good little lot here.
They would have always, me and Dad come out here. I would be right back here in the compost pile. Don't know why. They just would.
Rabbits is getting bigger. Especially their Flemish giants.
Yeah. You know, I think.
Mm-hmm.
Daisy always likes to chew out her water bowls.
Alright guys, y'all wanna get ready to Indian's video?
Yeah. Yeah, we'd like for you to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so every time we post a video, it'll let you know. And if you have any ideas or comments or anything, let us down below. Thanks for watching.
You got anything you wanna say?
No, I'll take it.
Paul took it.
Yeah.
Just put to tell people to like and subscribe to us.
Yeah.
Well, there you go. Alright guys.